Can fasting help reverse kidney disease? Well, this question quite often strikes to the mind of kidney patients. Today, I'll be answering to this question. Whenever we talk about fasting, the very first thing that comes to our mind is intermittent fasting, which is very popular nowadays. So, intermittent fasting is basically an eating plan which usually switches between your fasting and eating at a regular schedule. And researchers have also shown that intermittent fasting is a way to manage your weight and also to reverse some forms of diseases, including your kidney disease too. Now the question arises, how is it helpful in case of kidney disease? So firstly, it helps with your weight loss, as obesity is a potent risk factor for the development of kidney diseases, and it also increases your risk factors of CKD, that is your hypertension and diabetes. Hence, intermittent fasting boosts your metabolism and also burns your fat. Second is cardiovascular diseases. Patients with CKD are at a much higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. In fact, most of the patients of CKD, that is chronic kidney disease, they even die from cardiovascular diseases. In that, intermittent fasting helps to improve multiple indicators of your CKD, that is by lowering down your blood pressure, by controlling your blood glucose levels, and also by improving your cholesterol levels too. Third is diabetes. As diabetes is the leading cause of your chronic kidney disease, that is your CKD. So managing blood glucose level is the key treatment strategy in order to prevent further damage of your kidney. In that, TRE, which is a type of intermittent fasting, helps to improve your blood glucose level. So basically, intermittent fasting helps to reduce the extra load on your kidneys or the stress that is caused on your kidneys, and it allows your kidneys to manage the balance of fluids, minerals and waste products in a better way. Also, if you are on fasting for a longer period of time with no food and water, it can lead to dehydration. And dehydration can cause stress to your kidneys. As the function of the kidney is to maintain the fluid balance in the body and to excrete out the waste products from the body, when the kidneys are already weak, they cannot do it. Hence, if you will be on dehydration, it can cause major impact to your kidneys and can cause severe damage to your kidneys too. So if it's a case of acute renal failure, it can be reversible, but when the case becomes chronic, it's quite impossible to do so. Thank you.